I'm so tired. Have your seat. I'll get you a drink. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Here's your temperature.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Lovely. Do you know why I take this?
No idea.
So this is fermented which fruit?
Pineapple.
Yes. Pineapple has an anti-inflammatory. You know the way the joints that they just you know they feel the pain. After exercise I need to work on my joints.
Yes.
So it helps with my joints. So will you give me the water, the foot bath?
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Here's your warm water.
Thank you. Thank you. So give me some salt.
Some salt. Rosemary.
You can just pluck kieka huko ndani. Yeah, just put all of it there. And ooh. Unanicheka. Sawa tu. Mungu anakuona unajua vile unanikemea. So now this is a foot bath, a salt foot bath. After exercise, we forget to take care of our joints. And this is Epsom salt. You know I love Epsom salt. Why? Because it provides me with magnesium and sulfate. It's magnesium sulfate. And you don't consume it with your mouth. So I'm soaking my feet to relax, to just take care of my joints. And I'm using rosemary to relax the muscles. Rosemary plant has it has the ability to help soothe your muscles. So this way, when you get used to this, you say goodbye to joint pains, you say goodbye to muscle aches after exercise. Because remember, most people are exercising and then they don't take proper care of their body, so the exercise becomes a problem. And because I don't want it to be a problem, I take a drink that will help my joints. I soak my feet with Epsom salt, and you see, the beauty is as the water is getting cold, you can add some more salt. It has no harm.
Okay, so what does magnesium and the other one do?
Awesome. Magnesium is one of the nutrients that our body needs. Okay, and we are not able to get magnesium from our diet per se. So when you don't have enough magnesium, you get very irritated, you get very angry, you lack sleep, you also have joint pains. For those people with menstrual cramps, it is lack of magnesium. For those people with back pains, it is lack of magnesium. And so because we are not able to get it from our diet per se, we need a lot of it. And if you have deficiency of magnesium, your body will not be able to process calcium, and it will not be able to process potassium. Yet you need calcium for your body, for your bones, right? So it means then you will keep having joint pains. So that is why you need magnesium in your diet. And it's also a salt therapy. You know, salt is really good. So now you know will you help me massage with the other salt? Please. You just massage with this salt.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here's the towel.
Thank you. You are such a darling. The sleep person. Okay. What would I do without you? Okay, thank you. And this. So, what is the next stage?
Massaging all.
Yes, we massage to soothe now the whole process. this is also a way of self-love, you know. You're giving yourself all this love, and in this case you're giving me the love, so we are bonding through this. So that massage oil is eucalyptus. You can tell it smells really nice. Yes, it's eucalyptus essential oil. Just calms down the nerves, the muscles, and everything. So just massage, and you can tell my feet looks really happy. Happy feet.
Happy.
Yes, it's a very happy feet. So when you do this, it means then that you are not just taking care of yourself through exercise, but you're also making sure that after the exercise you do not have any health implications. You know, the way some people will complain of back pains and all these things. So the first thing that causes back pain could be the shoe. You see these shoes, you're supposed to use the proper shoes. I also use this belt to exercise, because it keeps my back straight, and it helps with the sweating. I know so many women who are trying to work on their tummies, and they are wondering, you're really pressing. So you can use the belt for the back pain. And now you remember, I usually take chia seeds, flax seeds, black seeds, and black seed oil before exercise, because it helps nourish my body from the inside. I've met so many people who have given up on exercise just because they started getting muscle pains and back pains and all these things, because they did not nourish their body. So even as you're doing exercise, you need to be conscious about what you're putting inside your body. Yes, and what the way the clothes that you're wearing, so that you don't come up with more problems than the good things, the health that you're seeking. Yes. So now my feet are very happy. I am happy too. It smells really nice, and I'm the luckiest woman on earth to have a daughter like
me.